in tune with what other people are thinking and going through. It makes you more in tune with what you're doing yourself. I think that's just easier going forward to just build stronger relationships because you understand other people more.
I guess maybe that stems from the evolutionary kind of concept that humans have always needed people to enhance survival. So maybe we're just intrinsically wired to always have that social interaction.
Connecting to others helps you develop your own skills, especially when you're connecting with people who share the same kind of skills and hobbies as you. And it allows you to improve them and also helping them improve their own skills.
Mind is a mental health charity that works across England and Wales. As a national Mind, they work very closely with the governments in each country to look at improving services for people with mental health problems, to look at improving access to those services as well. As a local Mind, we are on the ground and we work directly with people who are struggling with their mental health through a variety of ways, really. We do drop-ins, we offer one-to-one practical and emotional support, we offer lots of activity groups to sort of reduce that isolation and promote socialising. We offer guided self-help courses, we offer tailored support for carers, we've got a project out in nature. There's just so much that we do to really support people with their mental health.
I think it goes without saying that it's been a strange year for everyone, and lots of problems have arisen through that. And in relation to mental health, people have been a lot more isolated than usual, feeling a lot more lonely, which then can bring on feelings of depression and low mood. And also then people are finding it hard sort of reconnecting with their old life as such, and taking that step back into their normal life brings along a lot of anxiety too.
Kind of being able to be there for people, and more people, because there's so much stuff around mental health and the awareness raising. Just through the internet in general, there's so many things now directing people and making people feel like actually everyone has mental health. It's just like a continuum, isn't it? So one day you might feel great, one day not so much. I think that's really helped. So we've ended up seeing people that might not have come to us beforehand. Connecting can mean all sorts of things to all sorts of people. It kind of depends on whether or not you're the sort of person who might work better over the phone, or the kind of person who might want to text. But kind of research does show that in terms of connection, the best kind of bang for your buck is connecting face to face.
The research evidence does suggest that being solitary and not connecting much at all with other people does seem to be bad for mental health.
Connecting to others is important because we share experiences, we share moments together, and it's just that energy between people, isn't there? And that's something that should be nourished and encouraged.
Connecting with others, I think life's all about networking. You meet people through your journey of life. So connecting's vital really to get to the next stage in your progression and your growth. I think without connecting and networking with different people, you probably wouldn't go as far in life. There's a big world out there, and yeah, if you manage to get out there and see a bit more of it, then you meet new people and you see where they come from and what lessons they've learned, and you take something from each person, I suppose.